All right, so in this video, I'm going to look at the general form instead of standard form. They have the worst names for these. But this is the general form for an equation of a circle. Basically, everything is moved to one side of the equation, and everything has been multiplied out, right? So instead of having things written in somewhat factored form, everything has been expanded and multiplied out. So what I want to do here is convert something that is in standard form into general form. And it's really simple going in this direction. All you do is you multiply it all the way out and move everything to one side of the equal sign. Okay. So I'm just going to take this x minus 3 here, and I'm going to expand it. Y plus 2, do the same thing. Okay. When we multiply this out, we're going to get x squared. We're going to get a negative 3x and another negative 3x. So that'll give us negative 6x. And then negative 3 will make a 9. All right, on the y side, we'll get y squared. We'll get a 2y and another 2y. And then 2 and 2 will make 4. So we're just multiplying this whole thing out. And let's go ahead and subtract this 16 from both sides. So move the 16 to the left side of the equation. All right. So everything's been multiplied out. Now, as far as the terms go, we want to put our quadratic terms first. So it'll be x squared plus y squared. All right, that's those two. And then we'll put our regular linear term, our x term. And then we'll do our y term. Okay. And then this one just needs to be one number. So I need to go ahead and combine the 9, the 4, and the negative 16. That's 13. 13 minus 16 is negative 3. Okay. And that is the equation of that circle in general form. So the disadvantage of general form is you can't really look at it and get a sense for what the radius or the center is, right? Like you can with standard form. But the advantage is that you can do arithmetic with these. Like I could take another equation of a circle and add it to this, and the arithmetic would be very easy to do. But here it would not be easy to add this equation to another one. Next thing is, we'll just tell whether or not a point is on this circle. In general form, it's the exact same thing as it was with standard form. We can just plug in the values. Okay. So take 3 for x and 4 for y and just substitute it into the equation and see if you get 0. So we'll do 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 8 times 3 is going to be a 24. 2 times 4 for y will be an 8. And then minus 3. And then you just have to see if this equals 0 or not. See here, this will be 25. That'll make 49. 49 minus 11 is going to be 38. So that point is not on that circle. Right? If we try the negative 2, 5, we'll square negative 2. That's going to give us 4. We'll square the 5. That's going to give us 25. Right? 8 times negative 2 is going to be a minus 16. And then minus 2 times 5 is going to be a 10. And then minus 3. Okay, this is going to give us 29. And if you check here, this is going to give us negative 29. And 29 minus 29 is 0. Okay, so that point balances the equation. So that means that it's on the circle.